Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Fadilah Dearindiani. I'm from Health Information Management. I will present about medical record. What is medical record? A. According to the Permenkes number 269, year 2008, files containing records and documents about the patient identity, examination, and other services that have been provided to the patient. B. According to SK Dirjen Yanmed number 78, year 1991, files containing record and document about identity, anamnesis, examination, diagnosis, medication, action, and other service given to a patient within the duration of being treated in a hospital that are performed in outpatient units, including emergency and inpatient units. C. According to Huffman, 1992 record or notes about who, what, why, where, and how of the service provided to the patient during their medication period that contains knowledge about the patient and the service they receive, as well as containing sufficient information to identify a patient, correcting a diagnosis and medication along with recording the result. Are medical record mandatory to be made? Yes, very mandatory. According to Permenkes number 269, 1008, Article 5, regarding produce for organizing, regulates that that's one for every doctor or dentist who are performing their medical practice, mandatory to write a medical record. 2. Medical record must be made as soon as possible and fully completed after the patient receives a service. 3. The creation of medical record is performed through recording, examination, result, documentation, medication, action, and other services that have been given to the patient. 4. If every recording into a medical record must include name, time, and a doctor, dentist, or health worker signature who directly provided medical service. 5. Correct of recording errors can only be done by crossing off the errors without closing the recording that is being corrected and given a doctor, dentist, or health worker signature who are connected. According to Permenkes number 269, year 2008, regarding medical records, medical records can be utilized and used as 1. Maintenance of a patient's health and treatment. 2. Approved within law enforcing process, doctor and dentist disciplines, along with enforcing doctor and dentist ethics. 3. You can describe the topic of the section here. 5. Effort, education, and research needs. 5. Health statistic data. The utilization of medical records for the use of education and research that mention the patient's identity must receive a written approval from the patient or inheritor and maintain the secrecy. Utilization of medical records for the use of education and research does not require a written approval if it is done for national interest. Ownership of medical records files. The ownership of medical records according to Permanent Case number 269 Case per 3, 2008 regarding medical records in Section 5, Chapter 12, Page 6, Medical Records Ownership contains first one, medical records files belonging to health center facilities. First two, contents of medical records belong to the patient. First three, content of medical records as mentioned in first two in the form of a medical record summary. First four, medical record summary as mentioned in first three can be given, recorded, or copied by the patient or someone given the authority or under the patient's written approval or the patient's family who has right to it. Then within UU number 29 year 2004 regarding medical practice section 7 chapter 47 within Dirjen Yanmed 27 started. First one, medical record document as is mentioned in chapter 46 belong to doctor, dentist, or health care facilities, while its contents belong to the patient. First two, medical record as mentioned in first one must be stored and its secrecy maintained by doctor or dentist and healthcare facility leaders. First three, condition regarding the contents of medical record as mentioned in first 1 and 2 are regulated by ministry rules. Rights and obligation of medical record. In performing their duties, medical record has their obligation. A. Respecting patient or client rights. B. Keeping the patient or client's secret according to provisions of law and regulation. C. Provide data and health information based on needs according to provision of laws and regulation. D. Aid government program in order to improve the degree of public health. E. Obey the patient standard, service standard, and operational procedure standard. Thank you. Any question?
Yes, I have question. Are medical records allowed to be borrowed?
I will reply to your question. It can only be borrowed by the main family that are listed in the family card. Anything else to ask?
Yes. Who can know the contents of a patient medical record?
I will reply to your question. The question is doctor, medical recorder, and the main family. Anything else to ask?
Yes. How are medical records processed?
I will reply to your question. The process first begins by gathering data within a health facility that are performed in the medical record unit regarding patient reception. Patient reception data will become the source for the patient's data who is medicating in clinic, wards, or support service. After receiving data input from the patient reception and medical record units, the data will be processed through a series of drafting stage, completion, check, coding, indexing, and report recap. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.